Hi guys! May dumating na naman akong order na jewelry from the shop of Dear Carats by Sunshine. So, umorder ako ng minimalist Figaro necklace. So, this was my box. Ayan. And then I have this money catcher cut. Lucky Charm. Then I have this also again, freebies, face mask. And then ito na siya. Size 20 inches. Minimalist Figaro necklace. Oops. So ito siya. As in minimalist. So, 20 inches. Guys, thank you for watching my unboxing.